So today I'm going to talk you through some of the features that you need to use in order to make an intricate match 3 puzzle. I'm just going to draw in a very simple board here. You can make these as creative as you like. Today is going to be more functional for the puzzle that I want to create. And I'm going to draw 3 columns next to it. And the great thing about this is if you do make a mistake, just re-tap on the area that you don't like. And what I'm using here right now is the grid. So the grid's really cool because this helps you just very quickly and easily see what you're drawing. So if you do make a mistake, you can just, boop, there we are, fix it up. So using the grid is your own preference. I like to use it when I'm designing my board, but after that I'm going to take it off because I think it's pretty easy to see from here on out. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to select one of these guys here. These are called globbles. So I place the globbles quite far away from everything else. Usually the globbles will clear when you match 3 pieces or more next to one of the globbles. But here you can see the globbles are actually quite far away from the other pieces and impossible to match directly next to them. So this is going to form the core basis of the puzzle that we're going to create today. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to just add some of these blocks in place here. So I'm actually adding 4 green blocks here. Now, if you put 3 blocks together when the level first starts, they will automatically clear, so that you'll match the blocks together and clear. I'm doing this on purpose because if you have 4 blocks together of the same color, what will happen is you'll turn that into a special item, and we'll have a look see what that special item is in a minute. So look, I'm just going to give it a test here. So you can see today's order is 3 globbles. Okay, so you can see now that the special item has appeared, the rocket, and there we are. I've managed to kill one of the globbles. Okay, so I'm going to quit now because I'm going to go back in because as you can see, the level is filled with random blocks, but I want to be more precise about what I want the player to do. So the right hand column is fine, so I'm going to fill in some more blocks on the middle column. Now what you can see I've done here is I've actually got 4 blocks that are ready to combine and to clear. Now 4 blocks will create a rocket, or a fun rocket as we should call it in FunBlock Factory. Okay, and now I'm going to fill in some more blocks on the left hand side. So this is going to be another little puzzle. Now you can see here that there are actually 2 colors, which if I swapped the 3rd row down in the left column, if I swap the orange and the blue block, I'm actually going to create 2 fun rockets. So I'm going to add some of these chains here. You'll see why we'll need these in a minute. So when we test the level, you'll be able to see why we added those. So the order section is where you can create different challenges for players of your level. In this case, the order that's needed to complete the level is 3 globals. Okay, cool, so let's go. So immediately you can see here the fun rocket appears straight away. What I want the user to see is the concept of the level straight away. So you can see here there's a special item and it's the rocket. So firing that rocket will also give us another rocket in the middle column. Now that the chains are broken, I'm going to do this and we're going to create 2 fun rockets. And now you can see that the globals have multiplied. So this is a special feature of this item here. Okay, there's one gone. And now we'll do the other. Okay, great. Okay, so we've cleared 3 globals and that's the order complete. So there you are. So that didn't take very long. That was about 3.5 minutes. I did plan the level before I started recording this video, but all in all, this level probably took me about 10 minutes to make. So you can see here, I only used 3 items. I used colored blocks, I used chains, and I used the globals. So even with just these 3 items, you can see I created quite a nice little puzzle for users. Now, FunBlock Factory, we have dozens and dozens of items. So all of these items will each have a different function within the level. So when you combine these items with objectives, with block placements and item placements and the design and layout of your board, you can now imagine the possibilities for creating all kinds of levels is enormous. So when you finish a level, we can save it so the other people who are playing FunBlock Factory can try your level as well.